And these are the actual results. This is before and this is after. So remember that theta, the slow wave, was 11.8. That's the amplitude of that wave. The alpha, 14.4. Now generally you'd want almost twice as much alpha as the theta, depending upon what you're trying to do. And then this is the high beta, which that's extremely high. Very, very high is 18.7. We'd like to see it about 6. So 10 minutes later, we get this. So high beta, look at that drop. 18.7 down into the normal range in 10 minutes. And then theta, we also lower is better there from 11.8 to 10.4. This is very hard to do on your own. And then the alpha increased. Now granted, it's only one person, but this was actually worked better than I thought. That was my first test. So I would really recommend that you try to find music that will do this for you. And it's readily available. That's one study. So that's really the whole program. And I want to have some time for question and answers, but what I want to do is close with, there are resources available. I have a website called healthafterchemo.com. This is in your handout, so you don't even need to write it down. You can also follow me on Twitter at Susan Hardwicke or Beat Chemo Brain. I have like 2 different identities on Twitter. There are other survivor communities around, but we focus a lot on the cancer survivors with Health After Chemo. And then leading with some thoughts about what to do. Look at all your medications. Medications like antidepressants also can have some effects on increasing your mental fog. Any types of medications that affect hormones. And so evaluate your medications for side effects on the brain and try to separate that out from what's happening just from the chemotherapy itself. But above all, do not accept suggestions that you should just be happy that you're alive. I've heard that, and it's like, why can't you be happy that you're just alive? Well, if you aren't you don't really feel alive, right? So I hope you find that this has been cramming in a lot in 1 hour. And what I want to do is to take some questions